go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. I'm the one who run the city with they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done been the realest blocks.
What's good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. How you been? Back with another wig review with AprilLaceWigs. So let's get started. Now, if you're interested in videos such as this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that bell. That way you're notified whenever I post the hottest videos. Now let's get into it. So first, I'm going to be slicking my edges all the way up because I don't want none of my edges out since this is a 360 unit. And y'all, I just had to be so brand new. I've never done a 360 wig before. And AprilLaceWigs was like, you know, do you want a 13x4 or 360? I'm like, child, let's go with 360. I don't know what the hell I got myself into, but it actually turned out great for my first try. So now that my edges are slick, I'm going to be taking my wig cap. Now I'm just using a regular wig cap because I looked at a couple of tutorials on how to do a 360 wig because, child, I ain't never did this before. And they actually said to use the original caps instead of the mesh. And I usually like using mesh for 13x4 units, but I decided to just do like a regular wig cap. So I'm just going to seal my wig cap like I usually do. And I'm also going to do the back as well. Child, it is a good thing I had a mirror because without that mirror this would have been doomed. I'm telling you, I probably would have just showed y'all the front and never the back. So rule number one, while you're trying to glue down a 360, make sure you have a hand mirror on you, because if you can't see what you're doing on the back of your head, I don't know how you're gonna glue it down, because without that mirror, baby, I would have been in so much trouble. So I'm just taking my maximum bonding spray and I'm just spraying this around the wig cap, around the hairline, from the front and the back, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of my bowl hook glue and repeat the step.
Make it stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be psyched out. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hideout. I put these bitches on game, they should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. Cause they go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though.
So now that the glue is completely dry, please make sure it's completely dry. If you have to use a blow dryer, cut on the ceiling fan, sit under a dryer, but you have to make sure that your wig cap is fully dry before you gut it. And I'm just taking a little bit of my pressed powder and I'm just putting this all over the wig cap, and I'm just going to cut off the excess cap off before I get started gluing down the wig. So y'all pray for me.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't you packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but
so I will be reviewing the 360 glueless 3C curl pattern pre-plucked human hair wig. She is 16 inches and I made sure that the cap size was in a size large and she's in a natural color. So I did bleach the knots off camera and she did come with combs, but I cut them out. The tutorials that I watched, they basically recommended that cutting out combs was best. So that's what I did, but make sure you're careful with that process because baby, I almost cut my wig up. Do you hear me? That is really tough. So yeah, you want to make sure that you get like an eyebrow razor and just cut gently through the adjustable straps and combs and all that. You also want to make sure that your wig fits properly, or it could be a little big because you will be able to fix it or adjust it. But if it's too small, you won't be able to glue it. So that's why I went with a large cap size, and I'm glad that I did. I will also make sure to have the link of this wig down in the description below. So make sure you check that out with the promo code that where you can get your coins off. So I'm gonna get her glued down. I'm just gonna take 4 layers of glue in the front and 3 layers of glue in the back. You want to make sure each layer is clear before you apply on more glue. So I'm gonna glue her, style her, and when I am done, I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary. So stay tuned for that.
like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Real man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it.
Easy on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say sh. My hitters gon' bang quick, fuck around and get dangerous. Stack like bimbos, slap up to my Timbo. Hoes, no, I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real bitch, no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tints on the window.
He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick her right off. Let them taste the then I keep them out right after.
Got these niggas vexed, cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga tried to fall.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
I got 'em on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going out of shade. I had that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I rap me, so I took a private plane. Get like I'm walking on my hand. You too hard to the car, till it's under to the ground like a bullet's by the name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
So here's the finished look. She is super pretty, and I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I did that for my first try. And gluing the back of the wig wasn't really that hard, I guess because I did have a hand mirror with me, but doing the baby hairs in the back was so difficult, child. But I think I did really good. I finessed her. She is super pretty. Love the curl pattern. The hair is super soft, and she looks like my natural hair. Overall, I give her a 12 out of 10. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow, I'm on from New York to shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.